Hey guys, today we're going to be building Captain America's vibranium Wakandan shield out of cardboard. Let's get into it. So this video idea was inspired by the Hacksmith when he created the Captain America shield out of metal. And this was actually pretty cool just because it was the closest thing to the movie prop. But unfortunately, I don't have access to a CNC machine or a laser cutter. So I looked to your local Amazon box. And this is my process of how I made it. It's freezing, let's go inside. So in the time lapse, you guys see that I very ferociously ripped apart this entire shield, and that is just because I came across a design flaw. You see, what happened that I didn't fix in this design that happened in my first design was that I had the rails too far apart. So this was causing when the shield tip went out, it would only pull this part of the shield and this part would still be left in. So in my first design, you can see here, this was my first design, and the rails are so far apart that when you pull on one, only these parts and this section of the shield comes out, and there are parts of the shield that barely come out at all. So it doesn't really get the same effect. So it actually took me to remake the entire shield until I actually got it. When the edge of the shield was pulled out, the screws that connected the wings to the tip would pull them out in a direction perpendicular to the axis they were moving on. So the wings would fold out in the opposite direction that the tip was being pulled. This allowed for the shield to expand in the way that it does in the movie. Hey guys, so I just wanted to ask you guys a quick question after the video's done. So I wanted to ask you guys if you guys preferred these kind of videos, which were these longer project videos that first of all had bigger props, but they took longer. So this video took me almost 2.5 weeks to produce, just testing and developing, and this is my second design. And I am a full-time high school student, so that also is kind of a bummer. Or we can try something like a shorter video with a smaller prop, or a wood carving perhaps. I'm actually getting some new power tools.
Hey guys, thanks for watching and see you guys next time.